Okay.
You eat na lang kasi talaga whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread or sourdough. Since sa
Ayun, sourdough.
sourdough naman.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Kasi sa
Mm.
state, isikel bread. Wala naman dito yan, di ba? Here,
Mm.
sourdough, and then sourdough is expensive.
Yes, it is. Pero senior na tayo, may discount tayo eh.
Ah, pero yung whole wheat bread, yon effective na yon. And then what I eat in a day, my breakfast is 2 eggs. Nag-start ako nung na-diagnose ako, 2 eggs, any kinds of, hard-boiled egg, fried egg, scrambled egg, poached egg, gano'n. Two
Mm.
eggs, and then I eat wheat bread, 2 slices of wheat bread, and then black coffee or green tea.